Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Ichimoku Scanner for MT4. Alright, if you want to download the indicator, just check the description below. After downloading the indicator, head over to your indicators folder for MT4 and paste the indicator file in there. All right, after doing that, you just have to head back to your MT4 terminal, right click in your navigator and refresh. Okay, after doing that, just check for the Ichimoku monitor. All right, drag and drop to your chart, ensure that the allow DLL import box is checked. And as for your input settings, you can see the customizable settings here. Since our background is white, we can just change this text color to black. All right, so this is how the indicator looks like. All right, the Ichimoku monitor. Now it's very straightforward. Okay, it's just helping you to detect trading opportunities across different time frames. As you can see, it is a multi-time frame indicator, right? So based on the components of the indicator, you can see that it's telling you whether the market is trending upwards or trending downwards, or going sideways, right? So based on the P/KS, you can see this is a sideways movement. The Okay, this should be the PA, right? Then P/KS, then TS/KS, then the CS. Okay, so you can see four columns here, and then these are for the different time frames. So when you get a buy signal across the four columns and on a particular time frame, you can look out for buy opportunity if you have buy signal across the four columns, right? And if you are a multi-time frame trader, okay, and then you have a confluence maybe across the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, and then maybe the 1 hour, right? Maybe you have buy signal across four time frames, then perhaps it will be a good opportunity to execute a buy trade on the least time frame where you had the confluence, right? So this indicator is pretty straightforward, helping you to find the trading opportunities across different time frames at a glance. But it's important to always get confirmations, right? When the indicator gives you a signal, you should also look for price action confirmations, before executing your trade. So if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, this might just be a good time to do that. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you will not miss out on more valuable trading content being shared on this channel. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.